Okay, so for the assessment badge, for the first part, I used SurveyMonkey Design. It's a website, it was free. I picked this one because when I was overviewing all of them, it seemed pretty easy to figure out the layout, as you don't want something complicated. So right here you can see the title of the survey that I was making, and it says Count to 100. It's helping kids learn to count to their 100. So right here, I'm in designing. It's pretty easy. All of these tabs on the side helps you figure out what kind of question you want to be asking. But you can just quick look at the kind of questions. It says what comes next, what number is missing. So up at this tab, review and score. It's just looking once again at your questions, and you can see obviously the number 30 would be next, and so you can see that it checked it off, which means it's correct. So next is collect responses, and so this is like, here is your web link, and that's to send to people if you want it certain. If you're sending it for a class, you can send out a mass email. There's all these different ways to collect your data for this survey. So then the next step is to analyze your results. And there's actually multiple ways that you can view them. So this is a question summary. So right here it tells you your quiz summary, different statistics about it, which question was the students is the best on, etc. You can go into more detail for each question. So this can be really helpful to see if a question that you're asking is too challenging or too easy for students. Obviously, as this is aimed at kindergartners, I sent it to college students as I'm not in contact with kindergartners right now, so they did pretty well on it. The data trends tab, it shows you your responses by hour, questions by hour, and you can also go on and you can look at each individual response to see what questions they got right, wrong, how long it took them, when they took it, etc. But yeah, overall, I found this website to be super fun and easy to use. I'm definitely going to use it again. Thanks so much.